Morning, welcome to
Math Problems number 81.
Hey, what's special about the number 81?
It's 9 squared.
It's 9 squared. It's also a power of another number.
Cool.
Yeah, 3 squared is also, 9 squared is also 3 to the 4th. Pretty neat, right? Alright, so we're back to our regularly scheduled programming now. We're going to talk about dividing by fractions. Whoa. And right in the very beginning, so back in September when we started in on our book, we defined division by saying A divided by B was equal to A times the reciprocal of B. A times 1 over B. So that's what we said division was. So division is a disguised form of multiplication.
Yeah.
Okay? So in order to divide by fractions, we need to learn about reciprocals of fractions. So do you remember what reciprocal means?
It's that's the number that you multiply by another number to get 1.
Okay, so for example, what is a reciprocal of 2? 2 times what
It's a half.
equals 1? And that is 2 times 1/2 equals 1. And actually, if we remember from our multiplying fractions, how do we multiply 2 times 1/2?
Well, then
What do we do? How do we multiply 2 times 1/2?
well, it's kind of like up there, but we can backtrack, so it's 2 times 2? No. It doesn't look like we can backtrack.
No, but this is 2 is just the same as 2 over 1, right?
Yeah.
So 2 over 1 times 1/2. And what do we do when we multiply fractions?
We multiply the bottom and the top.
Okay, what do we get?
We get 2 over 2, which is 1.
2 over 2, which is 1, just like we thought up here,
Yeah.
right? Okay. So, but a maybe more difficult question is, what is the reciprocal of a fraction? So tell me a fraction.
It's 3/4.
Okay, 3/4. So we need to figure out what number 3/4 times what number equals 1. Do you want to put on your scared face for a second? What in the world? How could this even? Okay, so what do you think?
Well, if we put the number backwards, then we'll get the same thing on the top and bottom because multiplication is commutative.
Okay, so what do you mean?
4/3
All right, 3/4
times 4/3 would equal 12/12, which would equal 1.
Okay, we got 3 times 4 is 12 and 4 times 3 is 12.
Yeah.
And that equals 1. Okay. You want to do another one just for practice?
Sure.
Okay, give me another fraction.
5/6.
5/6. And what's the reciprocal of 5/6?
It's going to be 6/5.
Well, let's just see. 5/6 times
6/5.
6/5.
30/30th, which is also 1.
Okay, and so now, once we've figured this out, we can divide by fractions.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
Let's do 3 divided by 1/2. Okay? So this is the same as 3 times the reciprocal of 1/2. And what is the reciprocal of 1/2?
2 over 1.
Times 2 over 1. And what does this equal? 3 times 2 over 1.
It looks like, isn't 2 over 1 2?
Yeah.
Then it's going to be 6.
6. Look at that. 3 divided by 1/2 is 6. Does that seem strange?
No, it doesn't. I don't think it does.
Oh, okay. Well, good. So we'll talk about this, how to even understand this. But this is just what our rules tell us. If we follow our rules, that A divided by B is A times the reciprocal of B, then we get 3 divided by 1/2 is 6. So we'll talk about that a little more tomorrow, okay? Good job today, Hen. Good job.